The KHDC Executive Committee today said the Delimitation Committee should complete redrawing the existing 29 constituencies of the Council within the extended 6-month period. KHDC Deputy Chief Secretary, Chief Executive Member, Penchingan and Syiem, told reporters the committee should complete the task within the specified time, even if there are new petitions from the villages which failed to attend the public hearing. According to him, it will not be proper for the committee to seek another extension, adding that whatever may be the reasons, the committee should submit its report at the earliest.
Petition ru ngatai ki haban bendep hapon du. Nomor ba ngatai kan noma ban long ba again and again ban pan extension. Kita tahu masuk bala kumu kadai kam ki bagi bendep hapon du. Nail ada don ki fresh up ye. Te iman agaleng jong ka uskatri jong isu komiti tho cha DCA iman na DCA ki tho tan ha is council district. Tingila advice ki bagin tho lang sya ki Eastern West, South West, Barkumjuru, Syia Ribohoi district.